Yo, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is our Universal Cut, and this channel is literally for haircut tutorial, how you can grow your hair naturally, what you need to do to avoid dandruff, and a lot of things you'll be learning. So if you're looking for a place that you want to learn how to barb, how to fix your clipper, I have a lot of customers that when they are about to travel out, they ask me that, okay, well, I should teach them how to, even if it's to barb skin, so that when they get to that place, they can be doing. There is a place you find yourself that you will not see a good barber. Even if you see a good barber, you might not like the person, the way he appears, shey you get. So all you need to do, I'm going to teach you everything in this channel. What you need to do, there are a lot of people that when they comes to my salon to have their hair cut, they look so beautiful, so handsome, but when I start cutting their hair, I'll see dandruff on their head. I'll be like, oh shit, what is this? Not that they don't bathe, not that they don't take good care of themselves, no, but this dandruff that we talk about every time, that people say that they have dandruff, whatever, what causes dandruff? We'll be learning all those things. What are the symptoms of dandruff and what are the remedies? I'll be teaching you all these things. It's not by how many times you bathe in a day that will make dandruff to go away. No, normally you are going to bathe not thoroughly to wash away anything, but there are some things you need to do. There are some things you need to avoid. There are a lot of people, once they hear that, oh, this product or this hair cream is out, or they go and buy it, apply, not knowing that dandruff is a skin what disease. What causes dandruff is what? Dry skin, dead skin. There's some products that you buy that is not good for your skin. Your skin is very, very sensitive, and once the product has a lot of chemical in it, and your scalp is very, very soft, scalp is very, very soft, and you apply it, it will injure your scalp, and it causes all those rashes. From there dandruff starts. So all this thing, you need to know it. You need to know the kind of product to apply. Not any product that you see in the market, you just embrace it. No, there are some things you need to avoid. A lot of us, our body is different. So as our head, there are a lot of people that have strong head, not even head, strong head, and there is a lot of people that have strong and soft head. You need to know all these things to avoid all those things. So this channel, if you are that kind of person that is looking for this kind of thing, or that have all these kind of symptoms, please make this channel your family. Make this channel your family by subscribing to it. Any question that you have, please ask it. We are going to reply you. We are going to answer you. So I'm only making this video just as an introduction of what this channel is all about. I'm coming to make a video on what to do, on what not to do, so that you avoid dandruff on your hair. And I'm going to recommend some hair creams and some procedures you need to follow to avoid what dandruff on your hair. Please join this family. Let's grow together, and let's teach ourselves one or two.